This is something that is extremely important. This is maybe much more important than your actual marketing, because it is very expensive. There are a lot of studies have been done for various other uh, industries, various other fields, where they have shown that if you retain the existing customers with you, if you retain your present customers with you, then your profitability is going to increase 60 to 70% without even acquiring new customers. So that is a very huge claim. I have not done any such research in dentistry. I have not come up with any such research, but I am sure all of you will agree, if you retain only the present customer, somebody who came to you for a root canal, if you engage him with you, then he's going to be with you, he's going to refer patients to you, he's going to come himself, he might develop another problem and he's going to come to you. Only if you retain your existing patient, somebody who's come to you for scaling, they can bring somebody also. So instead of focusing your marketing on only getting new patients, you should also focus on retaining your current patients. The best way to do it is keep engaging them in WhatsApp stories, repeat the same stories, have some creative done, put it up every day. At least they'll remember it, they'll keep on seeing your stories and they'll remember you for a very long time. This is one way how you can engage it. Then write down their birthdays. If nothing, at least send them a birthday wish. If you can, if you have the budget, if you want to go to another step, I have always wanted to do this, I have not been able to do it till now, but it is my idea that I'm sharing it with you. On their birthday, you can offer them maybe a free scaling or something like that, discount on something that you can make them feel special with. Like they have birthday, obviously they're going to go and go party, go and celebrate with their friends and family. You can maybe send out an offer that since it's your birthday, I can do anterior scaling at half a cost, at free, or something like this. So they, at least first of all, they'll feel special that you remembered it is their birthday. Then they'll feel even more special and obliged that you had a discount especially for them because of their birthday. This is something that will engage them, and this is something that will make them feel really special. Call them for a mandatory fellow, whether you've done scaling, whether you've done an RCT, whether you've placed a crown. Tell them that you need to come for a follow-up every 6 months. You need to check the bone, you need to check DUP, whatever it is. If nothing, he's going to remember that he needs to come to you every 6 months. Don't charge them anything because they're not coming to you for any consultation. It is you who wants to engage them, so you can call them up for free also. A lot of patients will not come, but the patients who will come, they will become your loyal customers. Mind you, there is a difference between a satisfied patient and a loyal patient. Satisfied patient is very happy with your treatment. A satisfied patient is uh, he's very happy with your treatment. He's given you good reviews, but he can get satisfied somebody else also. The next day somebody offers a better deal, he's going to go to them. But a loyal patient who has a personal connect with you, who you have taken out the time and time from your practice to give him a call before his birthday or your reception, invited them over for a scaling, he is going to be a loyal customer for you for the rest of his life. Somebody talks about a dentist, he's going to talk about you in very high regard. He's going to become an actual promoter for your clinic. And then after a while, even if you stop all the marketing, you're still going to keep on getting patients. Then this is my idea. This is not something that I have seen anywhere else. You can organize dental awareness weeks. Now what exactly I mean by dental awareness weeks is that you can maybe have a day, 2 days, 3 days, or one particular week for spreading awareness about any one particular treatment modality. For example, you can have a periodontal awareness week. You can have a tie-up with your periodontist. A very good friend of mine from college is my periodontist. I've been talking about this with him for a long time, but we have never been able to go through with it. But the idea is that for one day, maybe from 1st to 7th, you're going to talk about periodontal awareness. You're only going to talk about gum awareness. You make videos, you make ads, you make creatives, you share on Facebook, you share on WhatsApp, you talk to everybody. You can maybe offer discounts for scaling. It's up to you whether you want to, whether you don't want to. But that is up to you. But the point is that make a week, dedicate yourself, make creatives, just Imagine that for 1 week, all your patients, new patients, existing patients, old patients, ask your patients to share it on their profile as well, because it is your periodontal awareness week. Just like that, you can have a denture or an implant awareness week. I do dentures in my practice. I have a prosthodontist who's a senior of mine. I bring him for all my denture cases. So I prefer advertising for dentures, because denture patient, if he doesn't go for implant, he can go for a denture. If he goes for an implant, well and good. If he doesn't go for an implant, he can any day go for a denture. Same with implants. You promote implants and you give dentures if they don't want to go for it. So for 1 week, you only talk about implants. Every day you post one blog. Every day you post one short video. Every day you post one ad, one picture, anything. Dedicate, I mean, for you also dedicate that one particular week only for one particular department of dentistry. You can have an endo awareness week where you can talk about cavities, where you can talk about the different stages of your caries, what time you should go to a dentist, explain how in the first layer, when it is in the enamel, it's undetectable. When it is in the second layer, you have sensitivity. When it is in the third layer, then you have pain. You can do whatever you want. The world is your oyster. You can talk to your endodontist. You can do it yourself. If you're an endodontist, just dedicate 1 week of your clinic, of your digital awareness time, into that one particular modality only, and it's going to benefit you immensely.